Hey everybody, Zachary Bach, your real estate professional, out here at 29034 Griffith Drive in Sun City. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house, just under 1,000 square feet, but this house is on almost a half-acre lot, which is pretty unheard of in Sun City. So let's go check out your new home. A couple of nice things on the interior of the house. Got these beautiful stone countertops with a waterfall feature coming here off the island. We've got 2 bedrooms at the end of the hall, both with their own private bathrooms. And then you actually have an enclosed patio, which is really nice on those Southern California nights. So right here, you've got potential for RV parking. You could pave it, gravel it, do whatever you want. You could even turn this into a second driveway because this bedroom does have its own private entrance. Hello over there. As you can see, this is a huge lot. You've got enough room back here to put in a huge swimming pool. You could build an accessory dwelling unit, also known as a granny flat. You could even put a tennis court back here if you wanted to. What good is a giant lot if you don't put a second garage / workshop on it? Thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to check out this unique home in Sun City or any other listings, give me a call, 951-401-5025. Thank you so much.